is my message. What Gandhiji once said. Dear Reverend Father Paul, manager of the school, Sister Mamta, Vice Principal, Sister Kripa, coordinators, sisters, teachers, and my dear friends. First of all, I want to wish you I want to congratulate you on the occasion of Gandhi Jayanti.
दे दी हमने आजादी बिना करत डाले साबरमती के संग हमारे बापों ने हमारे
A very dazzling and cheerful morning to our Reverend Father Thomas, Reverend Father Paul, the manager of the school, Sister Mamta, our vice principal, respected teachers, and my dear friends. So I, Prati Agarwal,
and I Abhi Arora
welcome you to this attractive program, and we thank you for taking out some time for our program.
we commemorate the 152nd birth anniversary of a great philosopher, motivator and father of nation. He is none other than Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi or Mahatma Gandhi. With deep affection, we also call him Bapu.
Let's not forget about the great former Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri.
Shastri ji was born to Shada Prasad Srivastava and Ram Dulari Devi in Mughlasari on 2 October 1904. Sharing his birthday with Mahatma Gandhi, he led country in Indo-Pakistan War of 1965. His slogan Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan still gives goosebumps to every true Indian.
As we all are in our homes, so we will be celebrating it virtually. Wishing you all a very happy Gandhi Jayanti.
Stories create community that enable us to see through eyes of other people and open us to flame of others. With this, I would like to call Nishkarsh of class 6 to throw some lights on Mahatma Gandhi.
Good morning to the principal and all my teachers. Today I, Nishkarsh Agarwal, is going to remember the life part of Mahatma Gandhiji. We all know that what is the contribution of Gandhiji in our freedom against Britishers. He led many movements in India. In them I am going to tell you about one movement, that is Champaran Satyagraha. This movement is held in 1918 in Champaran district of Bihar. This was also the first movement led by Gandhiji. This was again.
Thank you much after a lovely performance like this. So Nishkarsh, please take this personally. You are just committed.
Well, now moving on to literature, that holds a concentrated awareness of experience. Yes, we are going to call Tejas Sharma to take the limelight for art of literature.
शत शत नमन करते हुए एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रहा हूँ। लालों में वह लाल बहादुर, भारत माता का वह प्यारा, कष्ट अनेकों सहकर जिसने निज जीवन का रूप सवारा, तपा तपा श्रम की ज्वाला में उस साधक ने अपना
Lots of guts to be climbed that, and it takes lots of practice to rock it. It was lovely, Tejas.
We are not done with literature, but it's time for a melodious break now. So we would like to call Kushal and Nautiyal to present a song.
वैष्णवजन तो तेरे कहिए जे पीड़ पराई जाने रे, वैष्णवजन तो तेरे कहिए जे पीड़ पराई जाने रे, पर दुखे उपकार करे तो ये मन अभिमान न आने दे, वैष्णवजन तो तेने कहिए जे पीड़ पराई.
The tone of music still tickling in my eardrum.
Now, we would like to call Sana to advise a slogan.
Freedom is never there at any price. It is the breath of life. What would a man not pay for living?
Here my words end, and I wish you all a very happy.
Sana, it was really adorable.
Well, now moving on, Bhavya of class 10 will share the spotlight with us to share our views on great Mahatma Gandhi.
rightly earned him the title of
father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi is more than an individual. He is a movement that still exists today in the hearts of the people. On this momentous occasion of Gandhi Jayanti, I, Bhavya Sharma, would like to show you a glimpse of the Gandhian era. The Gandhian philosophy of Satyagraha is a natural outcome of the supreme concept of truth. Satyagraha means the exercise of the purest soul force and made a call to do or die in his Quit India speech delivered at the Bombay session. The admirations of Mahatma Gandhi are not restricted only to the Indian territory. Former US President Barack Obama once said, "In my life, I've always looked to Mahatma Gandhi as an inspiration, for he embodies the kind of transformational change."
Really acknowledged us a lot. Thank you, Bhavya. Your confidence was something unreal.
Now get ready for a beautiful story by Ritika Class 6.
1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. Now I will tell you an incident about Mahatma Gandhi and his life. One day Mahatma Gandhi ji was travelling in the train and suddenly the white man came and ordered Gandhi ji to get out from the train. Even Gandhi ji has first class ticket, but he was voiceless. When the train stopped at the next station, white man called guard and the Gandhi ji was out from the train at the midnight with his bags. This incident led.
That is an attractive story, Ritika. We just loved it.
Poem is one of the most beautiful art, and to make it such, we would like to call Manpreet Kaur.
नमस्कार आदरणीय प्रधानाचार्य जी, गुरुजनों और मेरे प्यारे सहपाठियों, मैं मनरीत कौर ई की विद्यार्थी आपके समक्ष गांधी जयंती पर इस कविता के द्वारा अपने कुछ विचार साझे करना चाहूँगी। राष्ट्रपिता कहलाते हो सभी प्यार से कहते बापू, तुमने सबको मार्ग दिखाया, सत्य हिंसा का पाठ पढ़ाया, हम सब तुम्हारी संतानें हैं, तुम हमारे प्यारे बापू, सीधा सादा वेश तुम्हारा नहीं।
Attractive and beautiful poem, Manpreet. It was just amazing.
Let us proceed this program forward. I would like to call Divyansh Agarwal to present the story.
March. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 in the city of Porbandar, Gujarat. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He started many social movements like Civil Rights Movement, Dandi March, Quit India movement against the British.
Fantastic, Divyansh. We all liked it.
After a fabulous performance, we kindly call Ishani to take the attention.
सुप्रभात। आज मैं ईशानी अरोड़ा कक्षा 9 की छात्रा आपके समक्ष महात्मा गांधी के कुछ अनमोल वचन प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ।
यह धरती हर एक की जरूरत को पूरा कर सकती है, लेकिन किसी एक की भी लालच को नहीं। पहले वो आप पर ध्यान नहीं देंगे, फिर वो आप पर हंसेंगे, फिर आपसे लड़ेंगे और तब।
Thank you so much, Ishani. It was a wonderful performance.
To share the stage with Ritu, we would like to call Pushkar Arora.
After a cheerful performance, I would like to call Chitranshi Bhatt.
I will know that the path which I should follow is non-violence. Here are few facts about Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was nominated for Nobel Peace Prize 5 times but never won it. Mahatma Gandhi's birthday is not only holiday in India but also International Day of Non-Violence. He was known as Mahatma because it means great soul, and he was the person who always said that the only path.
So much Chetananjali, it still gives goosebumps.
Sometimes it takes one good story to bring back thousands of memories. So with this, I would like to call Arnav Chauhan to take over and tell us an interesting story on life of Gandhi.
गांधी जी को तो सभी जानते हैं, वे किसी परिचय के मोहताज नहीं। मैं अर्नव चौहान कक्षा 6 का छात्र। आज मैं आपको गांधी जी के जीवन से संबंधित एक घटना से अवगत कराने जा रहा हूँ। बचपन में मोहन को अंधेरे से बहुत डर लगता था। उनको लगता था कि अंधेरे में भूत घूमते हैं और उसे पकड़ कर ले जाएंगे। एक रात बहुत अंधेरा था और मोहन को दूसरे के घर जाना था, लेकिन मोहन डर के मारे अपनी जगह से हिल भी नहीं पा रहे थे। तभी रमा दाई ने मोहन को देखा और पूछा, बेटा क्या हुआ? मोहन कांपते हुए बोले, दाई मुझे अंधेरे से बहुत डर लगता है, अंधेरे में भूत आते हैं। तभी दाई ने बोला, राम को याद करो, तब कोई भूत तुम्हारे पास नहीं आ पाएंगे, राम जी तुम्हारी रक्षा करेंगे। दाई की बातों से मोहन को हिम्मत मिली और वो राम नाम जपते हुए दूसरे के घर चले गया। उस दिन से मोहन को कभी भी अंधेरे से डर नहीं लगा। उस विश्वास ने
That was really impressive, Arnav.
Now Shaurya Saxena will come on stage to cherish our souls with beautiful song.
माटी पुकारे तुझे, देश पुकारे, आजा रे अब आजा रे, भूले हम राहे हमें राह दिखा दे, आजा रे राह दिखा दे। ऐनक पहने लाठी पकड़े चलते थे वो शान से, जालिम कांपे थर 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 सुनकर उनका नाम रे। कद था उनका छोटा सा और सरपट उनकी चाल रे, दुबले से पतले से थे वो चलते सीना तान के। ये था दम वंदे मातरम, वंदे में था दम वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। ओ भाई भाई का दुश्मन है बना रे, नफरत की आंधी बैठी रे, बैचल दिलों को बापू प्यार सिखा दे, आजा रे बापू आजा रे।
Shaurya, that was an indeed lovely performance.
The last but not the least, I would like to call Gauri of class 10 to share her views.
नमस्कार आदरणीय प्रधानाचार्य जी, सभी शिक्षकगण एवं मेरे साथियों, आज मैं गौरी कक्षा 10 की छात्रा गांधी जयंती के इस शुभ अवसर पर गांधी जी के सत्याग्रह की विचारधारा पर अपने विचार प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। गांधी जी ने अपने संपूर्ण अहिंसक कार्य को सत्याग्रह का नाम दिया। उनके लिए सत्याग्रह का अर्थ सभी प्रकार के अन्याय, अत्याचार एवं शोषण के खिलाफ शुद्ध आत्मबल का प्रयोग करना था। गांधी जी का कहना था कि सत्याग्रह को कोई भी अपना सकता है। उनके विचारों में सत्याग्रह उस बरगद के पेड़ के समान है जिसकी असंख्य शाखाएं होती हैं। सबसे पहला सत्याग्रह नीलबागन मजदूरों द्वारा बिहार में हुआ, जिसमें गांधी जी ने खूब शोध किया और सरकार ने पूरे मामले की जांच के लिए एक जांच आयोग को नियुक्त किया। कहने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, इसमें बागन मजदूरों पर हुए शोषण दोषी पाया गया। इसके बाद भी कई सत्याग्रह गांधी जी के नेतृत्व में हुए, जैसे कि अहमदाबाद आंदोलन जो 1918 में हुआ, जिनमें उन्होंने उनके दृढ़ निश्चय के कारण कर्मचारियों को उनका मनचाहा वेतन मिला। इसके बाद सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल के साथ मिलकर गांधी जी ने किसानों की कठिन।
Thank you so much, Gauri. That was indeed motivating and extremely informative.
So here we have come to the end of this program. Thank you, you are a wonderful audience, and we hope you are good anchor equal.
Once again, thanks to the hard work that all team members have done, teachers, students, organizers, and every team member to make this possible. What you witnessed was really their efforts and hard work. Wishing you all a very
गांधी जयंती।